Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced. Now scroll down again, click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher at the top in order to activate it. When you're ready, scroll down. Make sure that full-screen IntelliReach is enabled and click on this gear next to it. This way you can select the perfect size for your shrinked screen. When you're ready, go back and scroll down from the bottom of your screen. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, you can swipe up or click on this dark area. You can also access the same settings again and tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then tap on Got It and enter or exit one-handed mode by clicking on the shortcut. You can even move your shortcut around. If you want to disable this mode completely, select blue switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!